Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, and I'm excited to share another Divi tutorial with you. My goal here is to make learning as Divi as straightforward as possible, so prepare to be mildly informed, but possibly while yawning. Today we're going to be looking at how to hide certain elements or modules depending on what screen you are using. So let's jump right in. Over here I have a page that's been set up using the mortgage broker template. And if I scroll down, you see it's got all the different things, and it's got the free consultation form over here, so you can fill it out and get a free consultation. So if I just scroll back up again quickly and I change this to mobile view, and I scroll down on mobile view, you see it goes, and then something's missing. What's missing? Well, let's jump back to the full view. And go down, and you see it's this get a free consultation is missing. So I only want this to be displayed on when people are viewing the website on desktop, but I don't want it to be displayed when I'm viewing on mobile. So let's see how we can actually get this done. Let's jump into the visual builder of that page, and if we scroll down, we'll see here is the section that this is put under. So there are two ways to manage the visibility of a Divi element, and the first one that we'll have a look at is if you go into the usual settings. You just click on the gear icon, go into the usual settings, and go to advanced and visibility. So you can see under visibility over here, it's set to disable on phone. You can also disable it on tablet, or you can disable it on everything, and then obviously it's not going to work at all. But if we keep it like that, also if we click on the question mark here, it'll tell you this will disable the section on selected devices. Alright, so the selected devices are whichever ones you have checked over here. Alright, so let's just take that off. Let's just say save. And that's set to now hide. Alright, so the other one is if I want to hide this section, is I can just right click on the gear icon and just say disable. So once I say disable, it'll then ask me which device do I want to disable. So you can see currently the mobile view is red. That means that has been selected. So if I want to select tablet as well, I just click on it, and then that's also disabled. So the only thing it's going to show is the green one, which is, in this case, desktop. All right. So this is not restricted. Just take that out. Okay. Save draft. This is not restricted to sections. If I go to the element itself and I right click on it and I say disable, I can also do it. It's the same thing. This now I have the option to lost for words there, sorry. I can hide it on various screens that the person is using. So the flexibility that Divi is offering you here is just amazing, because you really have anything that you want to customize and hide on certain screens. So those are the two ways that you can hide different things and show them on different elements on different screens. So I hope this tutorial has been beneficial for you. If it has, please do hit that like button to let me know. And if you want to catch more Divi tutorials as they come out, do make sure to subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting more tutorials as I learn more about Divi. Your feedback is valuable, so do leave a comment below with any suggestions or questions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.